This lecture is about language and the brain. The subject turns out to be, not too surprisingly, quite complex. But this should give you some of the basics about what is known about language and where it resides in the brain. The human brain, like all mammal brains, is divided into two halves, or hemispheres, which are referred to very practically as the left and the right hemisphere. Each hemisphere is further divided into different lobes: the frontal lobe towards the front, the temporal at the side, the parietal, and the occipital. The two hemispheres are connected by something called the corpus callosum, which we'll discuss in more detail in the next lecture. This structure is responsible for passing information between the two hemispheres. The outer rind of the hemispheres is called the cerebral cortex, which is heavily folded in humans, effectively giving us more brain real estate. It turns out that there are two major language areas located in the cerebral cortex. This was first recognized by French surgeon Paul Broca in 1861. Broca's patient displayed language deficits, and upon autopsy Broca noticed that a certain area was damaged, though now it appears that other areas were also affected. This area, located in the frontal lobe as shown here, was subsequently named Broca's area. And Broca famously concluded, "We speak with the left hemisphere," because the damaged area was again located in the left hemisphere in the frontal lobe. An acquired language problem, like the problem that Broca's patient had, is called an aphasia. Aphasias are commonly caused by strokes, trauma, as well as tumors. People who are affected by Broca's aphasia have a particular type of problem, though every brain injury is going to be unique. But in general, it can be said that Broca's aphasics comprehend language for the most part. That is, they understand the questions that are being asked of them. But their output is halting and slow. And often the patient seems to realize